running late because I'm getting conchas. Girl, I got you. Come on over. It is
Latina Foodie LA. I'm super excited.
She was cooking some mante conchas, and we're gonna make it happen, okay? It is carb quick. This is fewer carbs, keto friendly, okay? And it's literally 1/3 cup, 2 net carbs. So we're gonna put it together, right? We already weighed it out. We got the carb quick ready to go here.
Right.
A little bit extra.
A little more.
That's gonna be instant yeast. And
right.
We're gonna mix it. Yep.
Okay.
We just did the carb quick, the sweetener, a little cinnamon, a little salt. As a Latina, how did you get started?
Pretty much started with DoorDash orders, Uber Eats orders. My little sister inspired me to just give an opportunity for those businesses that have been closing down during COVID. We started doing videos, and then people wanted to see our face, see the voice, and here we are today, 3 years later, and I'm an officially full-time Latina foodie, and I'm happy to be with another Latina creator that does food, cooking, and more. And you're really inspiring to me. So
you're inspiring me too.
I'm excited.
I couldn't wait. I was fatting girl her. Okay, I was stalking outside at her event. I was like, please let me in. I want to be part of you. Okay, perfect. All right, now it's dump and go. All right, let's get in the yeast in there. Yeah, put in the butter up in there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just one. Okay. Oh, smack. Please tell me I got it.
Ooh, you got it, girl.
Yeah.
You don't cook? Shoot, what is
I
that?
just mimic what I see on Food Network.
You see that? I can't even do that. I would have been right here like cracking the egg. And that's it. Now we're going to start mixing it. And what I like to do is first with the spatula, and then we'll do 10 minutes of kneading with the hand. And that's it.
Got you. Mix, let me know more action right here.
Yes.
And what's the consistency we're looking for?
It's going to be like a soft, like somewhat of a sticky dough, but not too much.
Honestly, it's amazing to see more Latinas in the food industry. I'm happy to see chefs, bakers, restaurant owners, Latina foodies. I think we're the future, and I think it's really beautiful. So I hope you guys support Joyce, continue to support her journey, and to support all the other Latinas out there.
No, and support her and have her come to all your guys' restaurants, because she really does an amazing work.
I love to eat.
Yes.
But I'm also trying to be healthy. So
okay, this is how we balance it out. I call this like hand lotion. I'm gonna be turning it just like this.
I'm helping you.
Yeah.
Emotionally.
I mean, you
eat this raw or no?
No, because you want to temper the flour and you want to temper the egg.
I don't know. Growing up, I liked eating like the desserts.
Me too.
Raw.
I like to try it. I like to try the
cookie
batter.
dough lovers.
Okay.
Comment below.
Exactly. We're gonna get the scale out so we can weigh them out. 6 grams.
Oh, 98, 94. Never used a food scale before like this in baking. That's cool.
Yeah, it looks like uniform and it like bakes more even.
Right here.
Perfect.
Wow.
See, that's it.
Boom.
You see how easy it is?
Very easy.
You can tell me.
Foolproof.
This is full. This is for the friendly. That's it. So now that they're done, we're gonna put a cover and we're gonna let them rest.
Yes.
Perfect. I complete a concha without the topping. That's the best part, I feel.
It is the best part.
It's that crumbly goodness.
Adding the coconut flour. It smells amazing. It smells like those Girl Scout cookies.
Right, exactly. Okay, and then we're gonna add the vainilla.
Vainilla.
Yes.
Going in.
Perfect.
Boom.
We're gonna do this. Everything for me is dump and go. Cinnamon powder, so we're not stressing. Do a couple of dashes. Yeah.
1, 2.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's good? Okay.
Yeah, that was a gangster dash. And let's put the butter. So I think pink and purple go really good together to create a really pretty color.
Let's do it.
And then we can adjust coloring as we go, okay?
This is a pretty interesting process, especially the healthy alternative version. And it smells amazing. I wish I could. I love tasting raw desserts, but
I know.
it's old habits die
Well, we can do this. You can taste this one.
Food has connected me to my culture.
Perfect.
And I feel like that's something everyone can relate to no matter where you're from, right? And I'm always learning every day through every recipe, through every tradition. Food is really what unites us all, and I'm so proud to have this as a full-time job, and I'm proud of her because this is something that many Latinas would want to see that representation, and the fact that we have it through marketing and through the food industry. It's amazing. So I'm so proud
and you
of
also have the Latina Club.
So the Latina Foodie Club. Here and there, we're trying to reunite some Latinas that are in the food industry, whether they're foodies, whether they're restaurant owners, recipe developers, chefs, bakers, and bring them together to create that open space.
All right, so now I want you to try a little piece so you can feel it too, what it feels like, the texture.
Oh, it does feel like Play-Doh. It feels like quicksand.
Now I don't know if it needs a little bit.
Bro, that is so good, and it feels like, it doesn't feel like Play-Doh, but it feels like that lightness of Play-Doh.
Yeah. Wrap it up, and we're gonna start rolling it out. We're gonna grab like just a small amount. You don't need that much. It's almost like a pupusa. I don't know if you ever made a pupusa.
I tried. I've attempted, but I definitely need to work on it.
So then we put our little metal here and we squeeze it down. This to make the indentations. And I go a little gentler because this is coconut flour. It's easier than trying to press it down. Okay, we open it.
Open.
That looks good.
Bring it up.
Perfect.
And then you make your indentations.
Yes, very gentle.
And move it there, because, okay.
And try to center like more in the middle. And if it cracks, it's okay. Ooh. With this egg yolk, I always have egg yolk in hand because I be baking and cooking too much, okay? So we're just going to brush the top, and this is just going to help like really adhere it. So
like to stick, yeah?
Yes, exactly. Just like
on top right there.
We did all the toppings. Ooh, good job. We did it. Okay, we're gonna taparlos. We're gonna put a little cloth, chill for about an hour, and then we'll put them in the oven. Then we'll be back when they're ready.
We'll be back.
All right. Wow, these are nice and baked, you guys. These are also made with sugar added churros.
I love churros. Oh my god! Yeah, show them that shot. Oh, that is. Oh. I was showing you that. Oh my goodness! Oh gosh,
unwrap it.
Ooh, let's unwrap. Ooh, it feels so soft.
So it's like a cupcake concha.
This is so cute. Look at that.
Ooh, I'm nervous.
Oh my gosh, you could smell the cocoa. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's not dry.
No?
Not dry. Sometimes conchas can be dry.
Yeah.
This is not that.
Okay. Yes, please, or is it a no bueno?
Wait. Oh my goodness. I gotta take this home. And it's a yes, please. And oh my goodness. Oh my god, I'm like really shocked. No, for real.
Yeah, it's good. Okay.
It's not dry. That was one of my worries, you know.
Conchas are dry.
My worry is that, maybe it's dry. No, it's actually really moist in here. Very moist. The topping, really good balance with the sugar. Oh my gosh. I feel like even my mom would love it. She's not really a big fan of pan dulce because it's too sweet. This is like the perfect sweet. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Wow.
How close did I get to it?
Is the caramel
sugar-free too?
What is this? It tastes healthier. Not in a bad way,
okay,
but it tastes healthier.
Okay.
And I feel like I'm not eating the very greasy churros.
Yes.
So this definitely is something that I would go to if I am trying to, have the healthier alternative. Wow. Good job, Joyce.
Okay, cool. I'm
job.
excited.
Good job.
You don't gotta go buy no mante conchas or conchas. I got you, homie.
So good. 10 out of 10. Latina foodie, LA approved.
Yay!